Are there any deductions under this new tax regime? What would be the eligibility criteria for deductions, if any? In order for you to have a greater awareness on new tax regime deductions, we have a chartered accountant specialist, Mr. Gopal Krishnaraju, with us. Gopal, over to you.
There are only 3 deductions that is eligible under 80. That number one, actually it is only applicable for the new 80 JJAA. There is one deduction. If you are an employee, if you are in business and you have employed a new workman, so for that you pay salary. On the salary, 30% additional deduction you will get. So that is only for the new workman. That is only for business people, not for salaried guys. Now we have this new scheme which has been Agniveer scheme, Agnipath scheme. So for the Agnipath scheme, you contribute. That means the employer deducts from you and he contributes. Generally, this Agnipath scheme is only contribution can be done only by the Agniveers. Okay, not for you and I, we cannot do. So therefore, for you and I, Agnipath scheme not applicable. So that is also not applicable. So can we know what are deductions applicable under new tax? This is the only 2 deductions I'm telling you. So therefore, for normal people, these deductions are not applicable. So only for those who join the Agnipath scheme, from their salary, 1/3 will be contributed to the Agnipath scheme. So that will be treated as an income and they will be eligible for deductions. So since it is added as income, they will be eligible for deductions, and that deduction is only eligible for those who are in Agnipath scheme. So for that, the new tax regime also for them is eligible. But can we get that scheme? No, we can't get.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.